So telcos have done a lot of cloudification and virtualization over the years, but things are starting to feel a little bit different. I think you'll agree. So from each of your perspective, what defines this new era of transformation? Andy, maybe you start.
Yeah, fine. I think the new era transformation has been there actually for quite a while. It's been bubbling away. There's been a lot of transition over the years with what's been happening in the industry, 5G onwards. I think also technology has got to a space now where organizations are now starting to use container Kubernetes. It's becoming more the mainstream. And I think we'll see a huge shift over time, quite quickly, moving from where they are from a virtual space and really adopting containerization, not only from the operator's perspective, but also the whole ecosystem that supports that.
Alan, what's your operator perspective?
Yeah, and that ties in really well actually to what we're doing. So we're going through our largest transformation that we've been through in around a decade. So we're in the process of building a whole new cloud platform on Red Hat. We're migrating all of our services across to that. A number of key applications are moving as part of that process. As we evolve from sort of a VNF approach to a more CNF-based approach.
I want to hear more about your modernization because when you guys were looking to do that transformation, I mean, what kind of platforms and cloud infrastructure were you trying to solve? What problems?
Yeah, so I mean, the things for us are like so really important is that we have. This is probably one of the largest clouds that we're building throughout Europe. So it needs to be, and it's for critical national infrastructure. So it needs to be highly available. It cannot go down at all. We need to have zero customer impact. So we're looking for solutions that are not only efficient, but also highly reliable as well.
Andrew, talk to me about what Everpure's role in executing this was.
Yeah, sure. Well, a lot of pressure now from Alan and the team to do that, but they're absolutely right. Their network is their crown jewels. That mustn't go down. For ourselves at Everpure, what we've really focused on and hopefully supporting Alan and the team is, we have 6 nines availability. We're very, very reliable in terms of our platform. We also, as well, a real core part of our offering is we do non-disruptive upgrades. Mm-hmm. And what that really means is that enables us to upgrade the technology in a very efficient way without ever that platform going down. That's really important for you guys to do that. And lastly, the thing that is very, very important as well is data mobility. And it will become even more important as we kind of move towards the biggest area of investment at the moment, which is in AI.
I'm glad you brought up data mobility and AI because that's something I've been hearing a lot about. But I was wondering if you could talk to me about the outcomes of your transformation, Alan. I mean, what does that look like on the other side?
Yeah, so I guess we look across a number of different areas. So firstly, we're looking at, obviously we want reliable solutions. We want solutions that are extremely efficient. We are all across the world, we're challenged on our sustainability credentials, so we're looking for sustainable solutions. It's all about moving faster. We need to implement the solutions as quickly as we can. And once those solutions are in, they need to be reliable, and our teams need to be able to support them with ease. So our operations teams, they need to be able to respond to any issues that arise very quickly and efficiently.
Okay. I don't want to end the conversation without addressing a very tiny elephant in the room, and that is the fact that we keep calling you Everpure. What's going on?
Yeah, and I hope in the interview I've not said pure enough times, but we have transitioned from pure storage over to Everpure, and the reality is it was is it the right time? We think it's the right time. As I mentioned throughout this discussion, data is at the heart of everything, and there'll be new roles for data within organizations. There'll be new partnerships. One thing that we've done also as Everpure, we've also acquired a company called OneTouch AI, which is all about is mining and observability of that data. So it's the right time, exciting for us, lots of new ventures, and we're really looking forward to it.
Excellent. Glad to hear it. Thank you so much.